Thinking about getting a tattoo? Well, you aren't the only one. Inking your skin is now more popular than ever. Just ask Marlon Myers, alias Snoop, tattoo artist to the likes of Vibes Cartel and Assassin.
And now,
What's up?
introducing to the world,
Who?
Marlon Myers.
And I came to take my place. Never you forget my face. Watch it.
Marlon Myers, aka Marlon Brando or Snoop. Got some training from Tex from Tattoo City. Tattooing, expressing yourself. So basically when the customer come to me and express to me, I try to put that to skin. Basically, I ask if you look through the books, or if you can't find a design that suits you in the books, I ask you to tell me what you really desire, and we see if we can find it on the computer or create something. The popular tattoos like heart, cross, flowers, mostly roses, some of them, yeah, because most people go for fashion. We find men doing more tribal stuff, like self-grown stuff, like them name some gangster thing, yeah, some inner thing. Females just go out for like some fashion or anything will look good. The way the tattoo I've been asked to do was a scorpion and a girl's private part. Like crawling down with the claws. This one right here is basically my bird sign. I made it still. This is a koi fish, represents long life, Japanese koi. And the lotus and flowers and cherry blossom with the water. That's from Aquarius sign. When somebody sees a tattoo, first thing they want to know what it is, and then they want to know what it means. So that's why tattoos are popular. It tells a story.